In this video, you learn how to add an average line in Tableau to make your data visualizations more insightful and professional. If you're new to Tableau, don't worry, I'll make it easy to follow. And before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Tableau tips and tutorials. Let's begin. Open Tableau and log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, simply sign up. It's quick and free. Once inside, open an existing workbook or create a new one, depending on where you want to visualize your data. Next, look toward the top of your screen and select the Analytics tab, which you will find next to the Data pane. From here, you will see several analytical tools. Locate the average line option, then drag and drop it directly onto your visualization. Tableau will ask where you'd like to apply it, to the entire table, a specific pane, or a single cell. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Once the line appears, right-click on it and select Edit Reference Line. This opens a customization panel where you can rename it, for example, average sales, change its color or thickness, and decide whether the line is dashed or solid. You can even personalize the label to show your preferred format, such as average, to make your data story more engaging. And that's it. You've just created and customized an average line in Tableau. This simple addition instantly improves how your data trends are understood. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the subscribe button and check out our other Tableau guides to level up your data skills.